G'day, it's Adam from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines. Just thought I'd do a quick video today. We're on the Proso 1541 compound feed machine, and I thought I'd show you these feet here. These are actually a top stitching foot. If you don't have a twin needle machine and you find yourself sort of when you're doing top stitching that it's a bit wobbly, these feet might help you out. They're essentially a specially designed foot that has a little tongue, spring-loaded tongue that drops down into the stitching. Okay, so we have one of the feet here. There are some codes on there. Okay, so that was a 3/16 there. As you thought it was a quarter, so there you go, 3/16. You can see it's the left one. See there, there's the tongue. That tongue, see if I can do it. That tongue is spring-loaded. You can see there's quite a heavy little spring on there. You can see where the end foot would be. And you can see how that would run along the stitching. Very handy foot. We'll pop it on and we'll see how it stitches out. Okay, so we have our 1/4 inch left foot on. We're going to sew through some leather. I'm going to leave this foot. I'm not going to swap over to the other side because the item's only quite small and we can spin it around and come from the other side. But if you had a really large item, you want to sew it through and then just pull it back, change your foot over and then continue, then that's when you would need the left and the right foot. I'm sure there's other times where you would need that. You can let us know in the comments. But I'm going to stitch this through now. Once I've finished doing this one, I'm going to quickly change over all the different feet, and I'll show you how the gauges look on the leather, and so you can see how they look and maybe choose what size would best suit the job that you're doing. Okay, as you can see, our spring-loaded toe there is dropped into our groove. We're just going to spread our leather. Make sure that you keep your leather nice and snug, so that you don't. If you have it loose and tight, then you might get a little bit of wobbling. We want it to be nice and straight. Give that professional look. Okay, as you can see there, got a nice consistent edge. You see how here our top tension's a little bit tight, so I'll just adjust that, and for the next side, so you can see we might even increase our stitch length a little bit. You can see that's nice and consistent. Okay, so we're going to spin it around. Okay, drop it back down into our groove. Keep our leather nice and tight. Okay, that looks a lot better. You can see there. So you can see there, we just increased the stitch length a little bit, and we've also what we did there is we actually loosened our tension off. Don't be afraid to adjust your tension, guys. Make sure you give it a good hold, full twist, full rotation of the knob at a time. Not little tiny increments won't make much difference on the knob. Give it a good twist. You can see there the result is much improved. Okay, that looks quite good. You can see there it's not bad. I'm not a upholsterer. I'm a technician, so I'm not an expert sewer, but you can see how an amateur like me can get a good result with that foot. So what we're going to do now on the other side here, we're going to run the other feet out, and I'll show you what the result was at the end. Okay, we've stitched out our 3 different runs. So I can close that in for you. So you can see there the distances off the seam. So yeah, really helpful tool. Of course, you've got the inside there. One is 1/8, and you've got your 3/16 and your quarter on the outside, which is around the 6mm mark. So yeah, really handy tool, guys. If you think it's helpful, contact your local sewing guy or gal, and hopefully they can hook you up with these type of feet. It might make your job a lot easier and give you that really professional look that you're after. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.